In the cursed kingdom of Zorvath, where the rivers ran black and the trees whispered warnings, Princess Harmla and her brother Prince Musa Muaz lived in a golden palace. But not everything was as it seemed. Their father, the king, kept a terrible secret locked beneath the throne. A living crown made of screaming silver, which granted power to whoever wore it, but only if they passed its test of mercy. On their 16th birthday, the siblings discovered a hidden door under the castle, etched with a warning: only the merciful may rule. Harmla, fierce and ambitious, scoffed. "Mercy is for the weak," she said, kicking the door open. Inside, they found not treasure, but a chained child with hollow eyes begging, "Please, free me." "A trick," Harmla hissed. She drew her dagger. "Ghosts deserve no mercy." But the moment she raised her blade, the child's form melted into smoke, wrapping around her arm like a serpent. The walls wept blood, and a voice echoed, "You failed." Suddenly, the living crown appeared on Harmla's head, its silver spikes burrowing into her skull. She screamed as her skin turned pale as bone, her hair white as snow. The crown whispered, "Now you will rule, but never rest." Trembling, Musa Muaz stepped forward. The child reappeared, more ghastly now, its mouth stitched shut with black thread. "Will you kill me too?" it gurgled. Musa Muaz remembered his mother's last words. "A kind heart sees beyond fear." He knelt and cut the child's chains. Instantly the dungeon shook. The child's stitches burst, revealing a golden key in its mouth. "You chose mercy," it said. "Now break the curse." Musa Muaz unlocked the crown's case and found his real sister Harmla trapped inside, her soul split in two. The crown had cloned her, turning her cruel half into a monster. "Save me," the real Harmla wept. But the crown clone hissed, "Too late! She's mine now!" Musa Muaz grabbed the crown, its spikes cutting his palms. "I won't abandon her," he shouted, and smashed it. 1,000 screams filled the air as the clone dissolved. The real Harmla collapsed, freed but forever scarred. The kingdom's shadows lifted, but in the mirrors, something still watched.